how are you all doing today? You're welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I am going to be unboxing some of my hair products for you guys. So if you don't already know, I'm going to be starting my hair journey as at now. Now I'm going to be starting my hair journey right now. Why? Because I feel that I've been neglecting my hair for a very long time now. If you know me before now, you know that I have very long hair, but because I have not been taking good care of my hair, it has been breaking so much. It is, looking so tired, looking so weak. It's not healthy at all. So I just said to myself, it's high time I do the needful. So right now I want to really take good care of my hair, so I'm going to be starting my hair journey right now. Consequently, I have got myself some hair products that I know that I'm going to be using in my hair journey. Okay, so these are just the basics. Okay, I've not really gone into the main thing. Like, I'm actually really a novice right now, but I'm just doing what I know that I can with the help of some few friends, few colleagues, and research and all that. So I've gotten myself some few products that I'll be starting with. Mind you, before you begin any journey, be it skin care or hair care, you really have to consult. Okay, ask questions. If you do not know, ask questions. Do your own research. Go online. You'll find what you're looking for. Okay, so after I've done my own research and all that, I've come up with a routine for now, just a basic routine. I've decided to be washing my hair every week. I do it every weekend. Okay, for now. Why? Because my hair really needs that attention. My hair really needs the ingredients that I'm going to be feeding it with. Okay, so the first things first, I got myself this Sheer Moisture shampoo. Yeah, so it's written here, hydrate and repair shampoo. Okay, so according to this particular brand and this particular shampoo, it says that it's going to hydrate your hair and repair your hair, and that's exactly what my hair needs right now. So guys, it says here that it is for extremely dry and brittle hair. So I'm going to be using this today, which is my wash day. I'm going to be using this today. So the next thing is I'm going to be following it with this Sheer Moisture conditioner. This is the repair and hydrate conditioner. Says here that it is for extremely dry and brittle hair. So in case you don't know what I did, this is what I did. So if you read the directions of this shampoo and this conditioner, it says here that this shampoo repairs by reducing breakage on heat styled hair up to 76% while used with our hydrate and repair conditioner. So did you hear that? It says that you're going to get maximum results if you pair it with the conditioner. Now let me read what is written on the conditioner as well. It says here that it repairs by reducing breakage on heat styled hair up to 76% while used with our hydrate and repair shampoo. This is it. So according to this, what I understand is that they complement each other. So they advise you to use the shampoo alongside the conditioner, and that is why I got both of them. Okay, so I'm going to be using this. I'm coming back with a review for you guys, so stay tuned. If you've not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, like my video, share my video, okay, and turn on all the notification bells so you'll be the first person to know once I upload a new video. Okay, I also got this Sheer Moisture Intensive Hydration Leave-In Milk. Yeah, so this leave-in milk is for extra dry and damaged hair, and that is what I feel that my hair needs right now, because why should my hair be breaking that much? Like anytime I comb my hair is going to like be so full on the comb. I don't know how to explain it, but the breakage is just too much and extraordinary. It is so abnormal. Like I feel like my hair is breaking too much, and this is the result. Can you see? This is the result. So almost everything I got here is for extremely dry and damaged hair. So right now I feel like I just have to repair whatever is happening, repair my hair, give it life, give it moisture, give it hydration, and see what it turns out to be. So guys, this one I think is another variation of sheer moisture, because this one is brown in color while this one is blue in color. They are both different things, okay, with different properties and ingredients in it. So guys, this one says it deeply moisturizes hair, effortlessly detangle and improve manageability for easy natural styling with this creamy milk. So it is a milk, it's a milk. And this one, after you wash your hair with a shampoo, apply your conditioner, and mind you, this is a wash off conditioner, it's not a leave-in conditioner. So after I wash my hair with the shampoo, apply this wash off conditioner, wash it out, I'm going to apply this leave-in milk. Okay, you don't need to wash this one out. So I'm waiting for the one that is going to do on my hair. Okay, the next thing is I got this mixed roots compound. This one is mixed root compound deep conditioning mask. So guys, this is a hair mask. This is a hair mask, and it promises to feed your thirsty hair with this intensive moisture treatment enriched with avocado butter and aloe vera. Okay, so it's going to work against breakage as well. It's going to work against breakage. So how do you use this one? After washing your hair, you're going to apply this from root to end, from root to, you know, the end of your hair. You leave it for a while. It's written that you should leave it for like 3 to 5 minutes here. Okay, so once you apply it to your hair, leave it. It's always advisable to either wear your shower cap or you use a steaming cap on it, in order to, you know, allow your hair to soak in all the ingredients and nutrients of this. Okay, so that is exactly what I'm going to be doing today. Stay tuned. All right, the next thing is, after washing your hair, you have to apply either an oil or a pomade or hair butter or whatever it is you have. So I also went ahead to get this Sunny Isle extra dark hair food pomade. It says here that it is 100% natural, no petroleum, no mineral. It stimulates hair growth, and you're going to see results in 2 to 3 weeks. Okay, so it contains castor oil. I think the main ingredient here is castor oil. Okay, so this is like a pomade. This is like a hair cream. This is like a pomade. And oh my god, I just realized that I've been skipping the prices of all of these ingredients, so I'm going to start with this and go over the price again. So this one, I got it for like 9,000 naira from H Medics in Abuja. This one is about 9,000 naira minus VAT. So you know that Nigeria right now, once you buy anything that is not a food item, you're definitely going to pay VAT on it. So this was about 9,000 naira. Okay, so I went online, I made my research, and I discovered that this pomade, this Sunny Isle pomade, is a really good buy. I see that a lot of people use this and it's really good for them. So this is like 9,000 naira. Okay, so I also went ahead to get this Chambers hair growth scalp treatment. Okay, so this one is made in Ghana. I think it's from Ghana. Okay, I heard a lot about this product. Initially I didn't want to get this product, but because of the reviews I saw online, I decided to buy this product because a lot of people swear by it, that it will grow your edges, manage your hair, you know, make your hair healthy and all that. And that's exactly what I want, so I decided to get this one. I'm going to be using it today. I'm going to be trying it and I'll bring the review for you. So guys, I got this one. This is the big size. This one comes in big, medium, and a small size. This is the big size is 10,500 naira. I got it from a modern market here in Abuja. So this one is 10,500 naira. They are also online. Once I get their handle, I'm going to put it on the screen so you guys can patronize them as well. Yeah. So the medium one I think is about 8,500 naira. Then the small one is about 6,500 naira. So anyone you choose to buy is absolutely okay. Guys, the highlight of this particular video of today is, oh my god, can you see this? This is the Beauty electric hair. I'm reading the French side. This is you guys, this is just a steaming cap. I don't understand what's wrong here. This is a steaming cap. So I learned that once you start your hair journey, you definitely need a steaming cap. Why? Because you're going to use a steaming cap while deep conditioning your hair. You're going to need a steaming cap while you apply your hair mask on your hair. You're definitely going to need a steaming cap while pre-poo. During pre-poo, that's when you apply product to your hair before shampooing your hair. So for today, I'm going to be using this steaming cap with this hair mask. I'm going to be using this steaming cap with this hair mask. You guys, I am so excited. Like, I am so excited. Okay, so after using it with this hair mask, I'm also going to be, you know, doing some natural remedies. Okay, why? Because I love natural remedies. I'm all about do it yourself. I love natural remedies a lot. So I'm going to be doing one particular paste, but I'll use it as a pre-poo. I don't know if I'm going to video it and show you guys, but that's what I'm going to be doing today. All right, so let me unbox this one for you guys to see. Just because I love red, I'm a lover of red, I got this. When I went there, the guy immediately went to bring a pink color. You know, ladies love pink color, but I'm like, no, I'm not one of those ladies that love pink colors. You hardly see me on pink. So I decided to go with red. So you guys, it's available in several colors. So you're going to pick the color of your choice. And this one is about 5,000 naira. I got it for 5,000 naira. So this is what it looks like. It comes with this adapter. You're just going to, you know, connect it to your cable extension, whatever it is you want to use. You just connect it and then you control this. I think this is off. Then you bring it to the medium heat, and then if you like, you can take it to the maximum heat like this. This is off, this is medium, this is maximum heat. Okay, so this is what it looks like inside. And then it has this adjustable strap here that you can adjust the size to fit the size of your head. Okay, nobody's head is as big as this, so you definitely need to adjust this. All right, so the way I'm going to use it today is I'll plug it for about 5 minutes for it to heat up and warm up before using it on my hair. I don't know, for convenience sake, I don't know if I'm going to actually video what I'm going to do today, but if I can, I'm going to do it so you guys can see how it's being used. Okay, so guys, we've come to the end of this video. This is pretty much what I got for my hair journey, and I feel like I am actually on the right path, because why not? So guys, this is what my hair looks like. Nothing is wrong with my edges. My edges are full as usual, but I'm experiencing so much breakage, so much hair fall. So this is going to help. I hope that you enjoy this video. If you are suffering or you experience hair fall, hair breakage, or any of these things I mentioned, you can go ahead and purchase some of these things I just did, or you make your own research, purchase the products that you know that are suitable for your hair concerns, and then start your journey. Okay, so let's do this together. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. So guys, I also got this is a shower cap. Okay, so from what I learned from one of my hair mentors, from what I learned, and from my research as well, I think you have to put this on your hair before wearing this. I think it is to protect your hair from, I don't know, but this is what I was told. So make sure you buy this too. I got the pack. I don't know how many is in it because I've not even counted it yet. I think it should be like 6 or so. So this is what I did. I got this. So after you apply your product to your hair during pre-poo or deep conditioning, you have to wear this like this. Okay, so you have to wear this like this before wearing this on your hair. Lest I forget, I got this one for about 6,000 naira plus minus VAT. Then I got this one for either 11k, I think 11,000 naira minus VAT. I bought this one for around 8,000 minus VAT. I am not really sure, but I think between 7 to 8 or 9k. This conditioner, yeah, I think they're the same amount, around 7, 8, 9k. That's how much I bought it. Then this one should be like 500 naira. Then this one I'm wearing on my hair is 5,000 naira. So guys, this is pretty much what I got for today.